was a rolling stone. Wherever he lay tap was a song. And we put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dwayne. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about the video, and I'm gonna keep giving it to you.
I say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit thinking about it. You always, that thing, man, that you wake up in the middle of the night, you got a new idea. That's what you got to chase. Because anything else, it's going to disappoint you.
Following your dreams is a lonely, solitary, scary, dangerous pursuit. You can't wait for somebody to take you. I'm just talking about
Started putting on the sides and the roofing, all that. We only used like 4 pieces on the side. Alright, we got the sides closed in. We're gonna build the back tomorrow. I think that's like 9 feet, but I'm gonna just do 8 to make it easy. So the roof on this, I said it doesn't have to go up like that. You know what I mean? It can just go down. You see what I'm saying? So that way all the water will go to the back instead of going to the sides. Mainly for like the top of the car, for like the bumper or a hood, or you know what I mean, something where I have room back here to paint, so it don't gotta go all the way up to the top. But yeah, that's it. Yeah. Got some wood. Gonna build the sides. Yep.
Yeah, put waves on the tracks.
call it early today. We normally be trying to knock shit out, but I'm a little sore. But we moving. We got some yeah. So we got the roof, the sag done, the back roof done. We got a little piece right here, and then we're gonna have a little overhang because I'm gonna have my fan. I'm gonna have one fan right here, and then I'm gonna have another fan right there, and then I'm gonna get the box to come out this way and up for the fumes and stuff. And we got my door. It's gonna be the door. We're gonna go through the door. I'm gonna use the shed as my office. So, yeah, good work. Hella work. We got some work done today, boy. And that damn roof came out so good. That shit crazy. And y'all, I promise we just thinking through it. We got a few gaps, like one right there. You can't even see it. See in the corners. There's one right there too. But alright guys. My partner didn't come today. And that's okay. Sometimes I like to do things on my own, you know. But I'm always grateful for the help. So we done got the beams in, and then I got some more support beams here. And then the sides, the metal posts, we was supposed to put these on the bottom, but because it's gonna be boxed in, I'm not worried about the walls like swaying. I'll probably still put one or two on the outside. I don't know yet, but I put them up here on the wood to brace up the sides. And I did it like that on the other side. It's pretty sturdy for real. The more we screw, the tighter it got. So let's see. Try to get my arm. You see, it still got a little bit of sway in it. I think I want to brace this corner too. The corners right here. And cause everything else that is solid. That's real solid. So yeah, I think I just want to brace this corner, and we'll be all right. I got a few bolts over here that didn't go all the way through. It's kind of not touching, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that either. But it's strong. That's all I needed. See how this part move? I feel like if I brace that corner, it'll stop it from the back from moving. Or maybe I should have put these braces going that way. Yeah, I don't know yet. I might still put like a brace at the corner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. That'll make me feel better.
Yeah, blue waves on the tracks.
Got a fan? No, not that fan.
Take it out and clean it up.
Yeah. We can use the wood. Alright guys, it's pouring down out here. I wanted to see how the cold is in the rain. So it looked like it's just like on the rail where it's leaking at. That's a bitch right there. But it ain't doing nothing there. Hold on, whoa! It ain't doing nothing here though. It's all coming down there on the side. All that. So, that's where the other one is at. Right there. So back here, it's dry. It's dry back here. So, I want to see what it's doing on the outside, but I don't want to go around there. I'm gonna go around there. Huh? Oh, there's another one. Oh, I need that. You know. Oh, get that one. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So this ain't getting wet at all. It's all going along the edges. Yeah, that worked out real good. I'm gonna keep giving it to you. Today we're just gonna be kind of cleaning up. If you're looking at this part, you've probably seen me put together this shop. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up the shop. It was raining. Shout out to Fayetteville's weather. It was raining, now the sun is out. It'll probably be raining again, so I wasn't gonna be doing a whole lot of building today. But today we're just gonna be cleaning the shop. I got a mic, so y'all let me know if y'all can hear me. I'll probably let y'all know before y'all let me know because yeah.
They'll put waves on the tracks.